Hi, I'm Jules Shepard, and I'm going to show you how to make a decadently delicious apple upside-down pie. This recipe turns traditional apple pie on its head, literally. And with an ooey gooey pecan topping, it means you don't have to try to decide between an apple pie and a pecan pie anymore. They're all wrapped up into one. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup brown sugar or coconut palm sugar, and 1/3 cup melted butter or non-dairy alternative. Once mixed, spread it in the bottom of your prepared pie plate. Next, roll out 1 pie crust. I'm using a homemade gluten-free pie crust, but you can also use the store-bought regular pie dough for this recipe. Lay the pie crust over the pecan mixture and let the extra dough hang over the sides of the pie plate. Next, we'll prepare the filling. Peel and dice at least 6 baking apples. It's nice to use a mixture of different kinds here. I'm using Granny Smith, Gala, and Jonagold. As you're dicing the apples, put them into a large bowl filled with water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This will help keep them from browning. Drain the apples, then stir in 1/4 cup granulated or coconut palm sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and 1/4 cup of flour. I'm using a special gluten-free all-purpose flour. If you're baking gluten-free, be sure to select an all-purpose flour without any bad-tasting bean flours, and one that already includes a binder like xanthan gum. Spoon the apple mixture into the prepared pie plate, mounding more in the center. Roll out another pie crust and gently lay it over the filling. Wet your fingers and go along the bottom crust to help it stick to the top crust. Cut off the extra dough and press the bottom and the top crust together. Crimp with your fingers and brush your favorite milk on top. Cut 4 small slits in the crust so it can vent, and then cover with aluminum foil. Bake in an oven preheated to 375 degrees for 1 hour. Remove the aluminum foil after 45 minutes unless it's getting too brown. The crust should still be tender, not crunchy. Remove to cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes and then invert onto a serving plate. Allow to cool before cutting to serve. And that's how you make a decadently delicious upside-down apple pie. Enjoy!